Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying Chrome is up to date and that your operating system supports the extension. Once done, open the Chrome Web Store and search for a trusted VPN. Check ratings and required permissions to avoid overreaching access. Make sure you have a VPN account ready or create one now so sign-in is immediate. Install the extension and pin it to the toolbar for easy access. This avoids hunting through menus when you need to enable protection quickly. After installation, open the extension and sign in with your VPN credentials. Grant only necessary permissions and review prompts. Next, choose a server location that balances speed and access, closest for performance, specific country for content. Configure protocol preferences and enable the kill switch to stop leaks if the VPN drops. Also set auto-connect on untrusted networks and adjust split tunneling so only chosen tabs or sites use the VPN. These choices control security, latency, and which traffic is routed. Finally, connect to the VPN and verify your new IP and location using a quick IP lookup. Make sure blocked content is accessible if that was the goal. If pages fail to load, clear Chrome's cache and cookies, restart the browser, and toggle the extension off and on to reset its state. If you still have problems, disable other network extensions to avoid conflicts and gather logs to send to VPN support. Keep the extension updated to patch bugs and maintain compatibility with Chrome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.